How to use Hugging Face QR code generator. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use a prompt to create a QR. So first of all, open huggingface.co. Now you're in this website. Now in the search bar, search for QR code. So just tap on QR code and the first one will pop up. Tap on it. So this is the model that is available. So this will provide you QR code easily with even different type of animations. So as you scroll down, there are different type of animation with the QR. Now in order to use this model, just tap on use this model and use this library. So you can directly copy and use this prompt while coding, and you can easily generate the code. So it will be much easier if you are using PC than the mobile. So just copy the code and it will be done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.